Yeah, guys, what we discussed last time, we discussed about the file, file handling, file handling commands. What are the file handling commands? Touch cat, VA and VAM. So we discussed about touch cat. So touch is nothing but a touch is a touch. So create a file, create a file without data. So what is a cat command to read the content of the file? So if you want to read the content of the file, you can use the cat command. So what is VA and VAM? So VA and VAM, so we can create, we can modify, we can write the files. So then the last previous class I already told you, right? So we have a, yeah. So it has a, sorry guys, yeah. So VA. So VA also, VA is nothing but a visual display editor, or VAM is nothing but a, so visual display editor improved. So this is the command mode editor for files. So it has three modes. One is command mode. The second one is insert mode. The third one is execution mode or extended mode. So what is command mode? What is insert mode? What is execution or extended mode? So, so these are three modes are there: command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So what is command mode? So what is insert mode? And what is execution mode? So command mode. So whenever you whenever you access that file, so directly it will come to the command mode. So if you want to add or modify whatever it may be, so you can go to the command mode. How we can go to the command mode? Either we can use the I is nothing but a insert mode. Insert is nothing but a, so we can add, we can modify, we can edit, whatever it may be, we can do it in the insert mode. How we can come from command mode to insert mode? We using the commands like I, O, A. So capital I, so there's something like a small I, small a, small o. Capital A, capital I, capital O. These are the reasons of that file. So I will show you guys. So and so in the insert mode, you only edit or modify whatever the content is there. But in the I want to save after the insert mode. So execution mode is like, but we need to how to save the file, how to save the file and exit. So in the execution mode, how to save the file, or how to quit the file, how to save the file, or how to quit the without save file. So we can execution in the execution mode. So we cannot directly go in from insert mode to execution mode. So because of we cannot go to the insert mode to the execution mode. How we can go? So again from insert mode to command mode by using the escape command. So then you can go from the command mode to the execution mode by using the shift plus colon. Shift plus colon. So then you can go to the command mode. It is used to create, read, and edit the file. It is used to create, read, and edit the file. So what is the insert options? What is the insert options? So insert small I is nothing but to begin the insert mode at the cursor position. Capital I is nothing but to insert at the beginning of the line. The small a is nothing but to append the next word's letter. Capital A is nothing but to append at the end of the line. Small o is nothing but to insert a new line below the cursor position. Capital O is nothing but to insert a new line above the cursor position. So what is the command mode? So this is the insert mode. Insert mode, we can use these many options. We can use these many options in the command mode. So command mode, what we can do? So we can do GG, small g. You can press double GG. So to go to the beginning of the page, capital G to go to the end of the page. So W is nothing but to move the cursor forward word by word. Small b is nothing but to move the cursor backward word by word. So NW is nothing but to move the cursor forward to n words. So NB is nothing but to move the cursor backward to n words. So small u is nothing but to undo the last changes. So another changes. So capital U is nothing but to undo the previous changes. Control R is nothing but to read the changes. So YY is nothing but to copy a file, copy a line. So NYY to copy and number of lines 5YY, 4YY. P is nothing but to paste the line below the cursor position. So capital P is nothing but to paste the line above the cursor position. So DW is nothing but a so delete the word letter by letter. Something like X is nothing but to delete the word letter by letter. So DD is nothing but to delete the entire line. NDD is nothing but to delete the number of lines from the cursor position. Slash is nothing but to search the word in the file. So these are the options in the command mode. So what are the options in the execution mode or extended mode? Execution or extended mode is used for save quit or save without quit using the escape colon. Escape plus shift colon W is nothing but to save the changes. Escape plus shift colon escape plus shift colon Q is nothing but a quit without saving. WQ is nothing but a save and quit. So W exclamatory is nothing but a save forcefully. WQ exclamatory is nothing but a save quit forcefully. X is nothing but to save and quit. Capital X is nothing but to give the password to the file and remove the password. So SK plus 20N to go to the line number 20. So here the command is set NU to set the line numbers of the file. To set no NU to remove the files, to remove the set lines, set to remove the line numbers. So these are the extended mode. This is the command mode. This is the insert mode. So these are the, so how many modes are guys? Three modes are there. So something like else. So hari.txt, cat hari.txt. So there is no content in the file. So something like I'm removing this hari.txt. Yes. Yeah. So now, so what is the VAM command? Vim or VAM? We can use V or Vim. So Vim. So something like hari.txt. I'm creating a new file with the data. So touch. So we can create the file without data. Yeah. So I opened the file. I opened the file. So once you open the file with the something like VAM or VA with the file name, so it will directly come to the command mode. Now we are in the which mode, guys?
Command mode.
Command mode. So how? So what are the options we can use the command in the command mode? In the command mode, something like a small gg to go to the beginning of the page, capital G to go to the end of the page, W to go to move the cursor, D, NW, so D, D, Y, Y, P, P, paste, something like NW do so as such. So it will, these all the attributes are, all the options will be using in the command mode. So now I want to go to the insert mode. How we can go to the insert mode, guys? To begin the insert mode at the cursor position. So what is the option, guys? So what is the option,
I
guys?
I
I
I. So small I, capital A, whatever it may be, something like. So I want to insert the data. In the command mode, we cannot insert the data. We cannot add the data in the command mode. So we cannot add the data. How we can add the data? By using in the insert mode. In the insert mode. How we can go to the insert mode from command mode to, so once you open the file, now you are in the command mode. So then you want to go to the insert mode. How you can go to the insert mode? By in the keyboard by press I.
I are capital.
we
So
are not seeing
yeah,
your screen.
you are not seeing.
Yeah, I don't know.
Guys, are you able to see my screen or not?
Oh, we are seeing, I think.
Sorry.
No, we are
I'm
seeing, I
having
think.
with Amazon.
Okay. You can log out. You can drop or you can close and again you can log in. Yeah. Now I am in the insert mode. Which mode? Insert mode. In the insert mode, we can add the lines.
Harry, from your end, it's just dark.
Sorry.
The screen is just dark.
I think this is the correct page though. Can you write? Can you be able to write something so we know if it's actually the right one?
So this
Yeah.
is,
This is okay. That's okay.
Okay, you're back
Okay.
now.
yeah,
Yeah.
this is the Linux page 1. This is Linux page 2. This is Linux page 3. Something like a line or not a page.
The line, yeah.
Line 1. For example only, this is line 2, line 3. So these are the 3 lines I added in this file. I want to save this file. I want to save this file. So we cannot directly go to insert to execution. Again, you can go to the command mode. How you can go to the command mode from insert mode to command mode? What is the option, guys? What is the option you need to press? Escape.
Yes.
Yeah, I am pressing the escape button in the keyboard. Yeah, you see, so there is no insert here. So now I am in the command mode. I want to go to from command mode to insert mode, command mode to execution mode. So what is the option, guys? Command mode to execution mode. Shift plus
If not,
colon. Shift plus colon. Shift colon. Yeah, you see. So here a colon is I typed the colon. Next, yeah. So escape, a shift plus colon, then W. So W is nothing but a write. Q is nothing but a quit without saving. So WQ is nothing but a to save and quit. So WQ is nothing but a to save forcefully. WQ and exclamatory save quit forcefully. Now I am trying to save quit forcefully. So I am saving, quitting forcefully. So now I am in the, so I came from execution mode. Now I am trying to read the file, hari.txt. Yes. So I writed the line, this is the line number 1, line number 2, something like. So how you can see the content of the file. So how we can read the content of the file. So by using cat command, or else we can check the content of the file by using vam command also. Yeah, you see, this is the content. This is the content of the data will be available in the file, right? So now I am in the which mode, guys? I just open the file. If you just
Command
open
mode.
the file, you are in the command mode. So I want to add another line or another something like I want to add another data. So how we can add the another data, guys? Definitely we need to go from command mode to
Insert mode.
insert mode. So command mode to insert mode. Command mode to insert mode. What is the command, guys? Small I. I is nothing but a insert mode. Now I am in the insert mode. Or else, so something like just escape. Now I am in the command mode. I want to go to the last line, new line with insert mode. What is the command, guys? So what is the command? Shift G is nothing but a,
End of the file. It will go end of the file.
yes, end of the file. Then you can press something like I. Shift G. Oh, yeah. So escape. Yeah, I'm in the command mode, guys. So what is the O? To insert a new line below the cursor position. So what is the capital G, guys? So in the capital G command mode. So command mode to go to the end of the page. Okay. So now I am in the command mode. So I used the shift G. I used the shift G. Something like I'm starting in the. So I used the command shift plus G. So now I am in the end of the file. But so can I write here? Can I
No.
add the data? No, because
No.
of I am in the command mode only. So
We
in
are
which
not in
mode
the
I
insert
can
mode.
write the file, I can add the content in
Insert
which
mode.
mode?
Insert mode.
So yeah.
Sorry, insert
So so how you can go to the insert mode?
I.
I.
Enter
Yeah.
I.
I or
Small I.
Capital I. Yeah. Capital I. A. Yeah.
yeah. So we can use O also, right? O. So O I A. So what is the O? So O is nothing but to insert a new line below the cursor position. So to append the next word letter. So I'm using O, small O to insert a new line. So below the cursor position. So something like
Oh.
I'm using Shift G and O. I'm in the new line. Or else, so you can use I am in the command mode. How you can go to the insert mode by pressing I. So now I am in the insert mode. So this is Linux line 4. This is Linux line 5. So now I am in the insert mode. So I want to save this file. So shall I go to from insert mode to execution mode? Is it possible, guys? So no.
No,
So then
directly
you
not.
can,
Yeah.
yeah, directly not possible from insert mode to execution mode. So how we can go to the execution mode? Again, you can go to the command mode. Then from command mode to execution mode. How we can go?
Yes.
So now I am in the insert mode. I want to go to a command mode. What is the option, guys? Escape is the option. Yes. Now I am in the command mode. How you can go to the insert mode? You can go to the insert mode by using the shift colon. Now I am in the
Colon.
execution mode. So I'm using the command Q. What is the guys Q command?
Quit
Quit
Forcefully.
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 Quit forcefully. Quit something like quit exclamatory or something like quit. Quit forcefully without saving. So so before that the file is in line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. Just I added the 2 line numbers in this file, but I'm saving this file. So I'm not saving this file. I'm quitting the file. I'm quitting the file. These 2 lines will be added or not, guys?
I think no.
Let's check.
No.
Yeah. So line number 1, 2, 3, 4. So because of so I was not saved the file. I just quit the file. I open the file. I read the comment. I add the content on the file, but we cannot save the file. If the save the file, if we save the file, then the content will be added to this file, the line number 4 and 5. So I'm not I was not saved the file. I was quit the file without saving. So that's the reason line number 4, 5 is not added. So again, va array.txt. I'm trying to, so now I go to the, now I am in the command mode. I go to the insert mode by using the, then you can come to the end of the line. Then you can press enter. Then something like this is Linux line 5. This is a Linux line 6. So now I am in the insert mode. I want to save this file. I want to save this file. So I can directly, I cannot go to the execution mode. Again, I want to go to the command mode. Escape is the command mode. Then shift colon. Now you are in the execution mode. WQ exclamatory. Save quit forcefully. Now cat array.txt. Yeah. So the line number 5 and 6 added or not. So if you use the quit without save, quit without save, okay, so if you use the quit without saving the file, so whatever the changes are there in the before, the changes will be there. Whatever you try to add the new changes, so that will not added because of you are not saving the file. You just quit the file. That's the reason that that line that content, whatever the content you added, that content was not added in the file. Guys, understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. So something like, so what is the options? Something like WQ without save. So save and so -X is to save and quit. -X to give the password of the file. So something like I'm trying to go to the line number, something like shift colon 20n. 20n is nothing but to go to the line number 20. So something like how many lines are there in my re.txt? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So va re.txt. So now I am in the command mode. Now I am in the command mode. Then I want to execute this. I want to go to the line number 5 or 6. So how you can use? So you are in the command mode. You can go to the extend mode or execution mode. Then something like 4. I'm pressing 4. 4. Something like 4 and I want to set the line numbers for this something like I want to search the Linux on this file. How you can search by using the slash. By using slash you can search it. And something like I want to set the numbers. Set and new. You see? Set and new. Set and new. The line numbers are set. The line numbers are set on this file. Guys, now you understood? Something like I don't want the line numbers on this file. So then again go to the set no and so remove the line numbers. So remove the line numbers. So the execution mode, in the execution mode, we will use all these options. We will use all these options. So in the command mode, something like you go to the end of the file, you guys can use this one. So whatever something like I want to copy a file, copy a line. I want to copy the file lines. I want to paste the lines. Something like I will show you guys. So now I am in the again I open the file. Now I am in the command mode. So I want to delete the line, delete this line. So now I am in the command mode. How you can delete the line, guys? So we can delete the line by using dd command to delete the entire line. So I'm pressing dd. Yes, the number is deleted. I'm pressing to dd. So deleted. So deleted. NDD. So the deleted number of lines from the cursor position. So TD to delete the entire line. So something like YY, copy a line. So something like. So our cursor is in the, so wherever the cursor is position is there, the position, that file, that line will copy. Something like YY. So P, you guys see. P. If you use the paste command, it will it will copy and it will paste. If you use the YY command, it is the copy and P is nothing but a paste command. P is nothing but a paste command. Something like from cursor to 5 YY. So then again you come down. Hmm, I mean, skip no 5 something like that. P P. You guys see. So I copied 5 lines. If you press the paste button, it will paste five times. It will paste 5 times. Now understood, guys? So this is the command mode. So insert mode, whatever the content you need to add. So by using in the execute mode. So then you want to you want to save the file. So then you will go to the execution mode. So I want to see the, and yep. So whatever the I added in the content, I saved and quit the file. That's the reason the lines are added. The data is added on the file. Guys are understood?
Yes, sir.
Anand, guys understood? Pride,
Yes, sir.
Jason.
Yeah,
Yeah,
clear.
the issue I have, I think most people have it here. Like, we
Mhm.
are not familiar with this the command structure you just showed there. So sometimes I will advise that if we have to have a class like this, then at least you should post that command. So we should have a look on those commands. And then before we have the class the next day. So that at least we can look at them and we master them a little bit, because I think it's very difficult for us to understand the way you're moving. We can understand,
Okay.
but we are not familiar with the command. You have to understand that a lot of us are not IT students, so we are just getting this for the first time.
Okay.
So
Okay.
just in the
Yeah.
future, in case, yeah.
Yeah. Sure. So now you're able to understand, right? Something like how we can add the file, delete the file, modify the file, right? By using VA.
Yes.
So
So
you
how
guys
did
can
you
watch.
apply? How hold on? How did you apply? How did you write the paste? Because you just say paste. Sometimes when you are pressing your cursor, we are not seeing it going around
Yeah.
the
So P,
pages.
if you press the P button to paste the line below the cursor position.
Once you're in the liners.
P is nothing but to paste the line in the below cursor position. Wow. Did you
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah, and I read it and I see is to paste line above the cursor position. But
Yes.
like I just don't know the work of it, like what is working, like how is it displaying on the screen while you're doing it.
Yeah. Most of the commands what you are using is something like in this. So insert mode. So you can go to the I is the small I. You can use the insert mode. So
Can you
then here.
paste? Can you write that paste on the screen right now? Let me just see because where I'm not practicing it here. Can
You
you
can
paste
practice
line
that.
below the cursor position? Let's see how it works there.
So something like I want to copy this line, right? Why is it? I copy this line. So I'm in the end of the file. Now I'm trying to paste it. Understood?
Okay, so this
If you use
paste,
the cursor, you can.
did you press
Yeah.
your hand multiple times?
Yes, I am pressing multiple times pre. If you use the
So
one time,
okay,
it will paste it. So if you use
okay,
two
once.
times, you can paste the two
Okay.
times. So now I am in the command mode. How we can exit for this file? How we can exit? I'm in the command mode. How we can exit this this mode?
Modar or file?
Whatever it may be, a file or mode.
Okay.
So how we can exit this file?
Escape
Escape
and
was killed.
Hmm. Escape. If you press the escape, it will go to the command mode. Now I am in the command mode.
yeah.
I want to exit from this file.
Colon WQ.
Yes,
Yeah.
WQ exclamatory or WQ. WQ is nothing but a
Save
right.
and
Save and
quit.
quit. Yes. Now I'm I'm I'm
And
back from this. Quit from
file.
this file. Yeah. Now you understood, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a VI. So this is a VI. In the VI or VIM, something like I will show you guys. So this is VI, right? A VIM RE dot txt. So there is no much difference, but it will be showing the line numbers, lines, or something like a words will be coloring. So color, it will show the color. Okay. So there is no much difference on the VI and VIM. You can use whatever it may be. So VI or VIM. Okay. What is the touch, guys? So we can create the file
Without that,
without data. Yeah. So what is cat, guys?
to read the file.
Command to read the content, the file content.
Yeah. To read the
File.
content of the.
The file.
What is VI or VIM, guys?
To
Create,
create or modify.
and wait.
Yes. So we can read the content. Read the
And the
content.
and the modify the content
Modify the content.
and delete the content.
So delete is nothing but a add, modify, whatever it may be. Delete the content. So in VI, we can use to read the content, to modify the content, to delete the content, guys. So VI has how many modes, guys? It has
Three modes.
Three modes.
3 modes. What are those? So one is
Command mode,
command mode. So it means whenever you open a file, so whenever you open a file, it will see the command mode. It will see the mode. So the next one, guys.
insert mode.
Insert mode.
So what is this? To add the content. To add the content in the file, so we can use the insert mode. How we can go to the insert mode, guys? Press
I.
I button. Small I. Button in the keyboard. So what is the third one, guys?
Execution.
Execution mode or extended mode. So what is the purpose of this mode, guys? To save the file or quit the file without save, right? To save the files, and quit the file, and quit the save and quit the file without
Saving the file.
saving, and so something like so we can set the line numbers. So we can set the line numbers also. We can set the line numbers also. So we can remove the line numbers. So we can remove the line numbers also. So you want to go to 20th line or something like so 20 and it will go directly on that line number. Guys, now you understood? So what are the modes? So VI have three. It has 3 modes. So command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So whenever you open a file, it will see the command mode. So we cannot directly from insert to execution mode. We cannot directly go to the insert to execution mode. So once we whatever we added the file, and again you can go to the command mode. Then you can directly go to the command mode. So then from command mode to so we can go to the execution mode. From command mode to execution mode. How we can back from insert to command mode. So what is the option, guys? The
Escape.
keyboard escape. So you see in the keyboard, right? There is a ESC in the starting of the in the left top corner. You see the top something like escape button, right? So it will go to the insert to command mode and
Command mode.
execution to command mode. Guys, now you understood?
Yeah.
Yep, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. So this is the AVI command, guys. This is the AVI command. Yeah. So the guys,
So
next
but
is
let me ask, from the command mode to insert mode, this IAO, all the options applied, or is it only the I that is applied?
all the options, all the options. You can use whatever you want, you can use it. So the
Okay.
options, whatever you want, you can use it. So
Okay.
AIO, you can use whatever OIA, whatever you want, you can use. But you can see the you can use this something
Yeah,
like
yeah, got you.
understood, right? So the next
Mhm.
is text processing tools. So text processing tools. So head. So what is head? Head it displays top 10 lines from the given document or a file. The given document or a file. So if you want to, so something like a head.re.txt, it will show the first 10 lines, first top 10 lines from the given document. So if you use -i, the option is -i, it will show only first 5 lines of the 5 lines of the 5 lines of the content, 5 lines of the document, from the document. So if you are not using a hyphen option, something like -5, -20, it will show the 20, -100. So it will give the 100 lines from the given file. So, but if you are not providing anything, it automatically defaultly take 10 lines. So if you want to specify, you can specify it. Head is nothing but a top 10 lines. A tail is nothing but a displays bottom 10 lines from the given document. So tail file name. So tail hurry.txt. Tail hyphen 5 file name. It will displays last 5 lines. So if you use -20, it will displays last 20 lines. -f file name. Tail -f a file name. F means follow output will not close. So less and more. Before that, I used these guys. Less and more command I used. So to read the documents page by page and line by line, to see the content only, there is no modifications. So less or more, a top tile. So there is no modifications. You can see the lines only. So in the less or more, if you press the enter line by line, if you press the space bar, something like page by page, it will show you. Guys, I will show this. So what are those, guys? What are the text processing tools? Guys, tell me, what are those text processing tools?
Head.
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 Mhm.
Yeah. What is the purpose of head?
Fine.
It
So
will display
the
the
option of
10 top
displaying
10
the
lines
file
of the
names.
document.
1
top
to 5 to
10
20.
lines
10 lines from the
from the top
file.
file. Okay.
So what is the syntax, guys?
Head
Head
file.
file. Example, guys.
Head
Head,
hurry.txt.
whatever it will, whatever the file. So it will display. So I want to display a particular file lines only. What is the command, guys? Head
Head
hyphen
whole
file
file
hurry dot
txt.
txt. Or else I want to see. I want to see the list. So something like first 15 lines. Hyphen 15 hurry dot txt. As understood? So this is the head is nothing but a top. So I want to see the bottom of the lines, bottom of the page. The second command is nothing but
Tail.
tail command. So what is the tail command, guys? It will,
Is
yes, it will display
bottom of the
bottom 10
lines
lines
from the file.
from the file.
So it can be above the 10 lines.
Yeah, tail. So what is the syntax, guys? Syntax is
10
tail
to 5 name.
file name. Tail. I want to see the only 5 lines, or I want to see the only 2 lines. Hyphen 2 file name, or something like tail hyphen 2 hurry dot txt. Hurry dot txt. So something like a tail hyphen 20 hurry dot txt. It will display the bottom 20 lines. It will display the bottom 20 lines. It will display the bottom 20 lines. Next, what is a hyphen f? So tail hyphen f file name hyphen f option hyphen up option, something like what is the hyphen up option, guys? So means follow. So output will not close. What is this? Output will not close. Hyphen up option output will not close. So tail hyphen f something like 20 f file. So it will
Sorry,
display
I have
the
one doubt. I have one doubt.
yes.
What is the use of hyphen 20f? Tail hyphen 20f.
Yeah,
Hyphen.
what is the 20? It
20 is
will
the
display the
line.
display the bottom 20 lines.
Yeah.
What is the F? Something like the file is continuously writing. The file
Yeah.
is good question. The file is continuously writing. So something like this is line number. This is the first line. This is the second line. This is the third line. This is the fourth line. So something like, so these are the 4 lines. 4 lines are there. Something like if you use tile hyphen f hyphen 4 f at file name something like hurry.txt. So it will display the last 4 lines. What are the last 4 lines? These.
So it can write above 20 lines.
Yeah. So it will display the last 4 lines. So something like hyphen f is nothing but a continuously show the output. So it continuously writing the This is the fifth line. This is the sixth line. So this is the sixth line. Now if you press a tile icon F6F hurry.txt, or else what it will shows something like, sorry guys. So what it will shows tile F 4F hurry.txt. So what it will display? So it will remove the first two lines. So it will remove the first two lines. So then it will display these lines. This is third line, this is fourth line, this is fifth line, this is sixth line. Because of, so you are asking only last four lines. Continuously, if something like, if you added something, it automatically added here. It added here. So you will understand once we'll show the example, guys. Okay. What are those? Text, header, header, tile, header, tile, header, header, array.txt. Yeah, guys. It will display the first 10 lines, something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, guys. So these are the 10 lines, first 10 lines. So I want to display only the first two lines. So what is the option, guys? -2 array.txt. Just open the two lines, something like hurry. File. It displays just the 5 lines of the file. It will just display the first 5 lines. It will display just 5 lines. Something like I want to show the just 3 lines, the top 3 lines. Yeah. So head is nothing but a, so the top 10 lines, the top lines will show. So tail is nothing but the last bottom lines. Tail, tail, array.txt. So it will display the last 10 lines. So tail hyphen something like a 4 array.txt. So it will shows the last 4 letters. So what about hyphen f is nothing but I will show you cd or something like tail hyphen 5f slash var log messages. There is no message, right? Mm, loading it. Yeah. So if something like if another line is added, it automatically showing here by using -f option. -f option, it continuously showing the last line. Something like if you, so it automatically added the another line, something like the same line. So it will go on this line. It will gone. It will go. It will go on this line. It added a new line. So, but without closing, whatever the lines, if you added, it will show. If you added, it will show. Now you understood, guys?
Yeah, Harry, but let me say something. So what I understand that you use the head as the command, and the first of all, it will outline the 10 lines before you start choosing either to go with the 2 or to 5 lines,
Something
right?
like, yeah, a good question. Something like the file having 2000 lines.
Mhm.
The file having 2000 lines. I don't want to see that 2000 lines. I want to just last bottom 10 lines. I want,
Okay.
I want bottom. I want to see, bottom 10 lines of the file. So what is the command? I want to see top 10 lines of the file. So what is the command, guys? For this, what is this what is the command? Bottom 10 lines. Bottom, bottom,
That is head.
bottom.
Tail dash
Tail.
10 F.
Okay.
If you are not
Harry
using,
dot
by
text.
default, it will take tail F1 file name dot file name, whatever it may be, harry.txt or pride.txt, whatever it may be, use the tile hyphen file name to see the bottom 10 lines. I want to see the top 10 lines. What is the command, guys?
Head
Head,
file name.
yes, head file name. Head file name. Now you got it, guys. So it will display the 10 lines or something like it will display that a bottom 10 lines. I don't want these. I want to see page by page or line by line. So I want to see the content page by page or line by line. For example, this file having 2000 lines. So something like, so hari.txt having 20 pages. I want to see the page by page. I want to see the page by page. So what is the command, guys? Less or more. So we can use whatever it may be, less or more. I want to see the page by page, something like a less file name, then less file name, then you can you can enter something like page by page. I want to see so 20 pages, right? Page by page. So how you can execute something like a press enter. Press enter, it will show the page by page. Or more, a file name, I want to see line by line by line. So what is the command? Press spacebar. So you can use the spacebar. It will show the a line by line. You want to see the 2000 lines. You can how you can see by using spacebar. By using the spacebar, you can
Harry,
see
can I
the
take you a little bit back?
yeah. We will check it. So if it will not back from file or whatever it may be, you guys can use Control C. It will automatically come back. Okay.
Okay.
Harry,
Yeah.
Harry, I have a question for you, please, if you don't mind.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, in that place where you said to see the last 10 bottom
Yes.
pages
Yes.
of
Yes.
2000. So the last 10 bottom, it just says tail.file name. So it doesn't like get a precise like how to read the last 10 pages. Like how can we read the last 10 pages? Because it just says tail.file name. If you want to read the last bottom 10 pages. So does it mean we have to, if we want to read the last bottom 10 pages, last bottom 5 pages, the last bottom 100 pages, so what do we enter to get, what command do we use to get that specification?
Something like you want to see the last 10 lines or something like bottom 10 lines or top 10 lines, you can use that tail and head. Something like I want to see the page, I want to see the document or I want to see the file. So something like this document having how many pages? Guys, this document having how many pages? So
102.
112 pages. This is for example, doc. So this document having 112 pages. So I want to see the content page by page. I want to see the content page by page, or something like I want to see the if so this has 112 pages, but the so I want to see the top 10 lines only. I want to see the top 10 lines. It will show this information. If you use the tail hyphen something there, something like header, it will display this because of this is the starting. So I want to display the a bottom something like yeah. So this is the bottom. This is the bottom. It will display last 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these many layers it will show you. But I want to see the content of page by page, line by line. Because of this is the GUI, right? You can scroll up or scroll down. It will automatically show. But Linux, everything will be command, right? I want to see the I want to see the I want to see the content page by page, less or more hockey.log. There is no data, so let's less hockey.log hyphen 20, 23, 10, 15. Yeah, so much done. There is no much data. So let's check cd cat less cloud init.log. Yeah, here I'm seeing. Yeah. So less. So what is the command, guys? The page number directly 60. How, guys, do you know how to go to line number 60 directly?
Six capital G. I think so. I'm not sure.
Sorry?
You are asking something, right?
Yes. I'm asking about how I can go to directly line numbers, page number 60 in the Word document.
So what document?
You don't know, right?
Harry, where can you send all these documents to us?
So I already uploaded this document in the Google Drive.
I'm scared to get it, honestly.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
So yeah, less or tight page by page or line by line. So if you press enter, it will be a line by line. If you press something like a page by page, you can press the space bar. Yeah. Now let's see, guys. Less cloud init.log. So I'm using the space bar. So now you guys see 29, 29, 440, 444, 28. So I'm pressing space. You see, before it 448, it's something like now of 114. I'm pressing
Hey,
space.
can you go
Now
back,
you see,
Harry? Can you go back to that example? I didn't follow. I was not following it.
yeah. So
Can you go back
less,
to what you just? Yeah.
yeah, less. So this is the file, guys. Cloud init.log. I'm using less cloud init.log. Yeah, I'm pressing enter.
No,
Sorry,
you
guys. The
press
command is
Lex.
less. Yep, less cloud init.log. So once I press this, is it's showing the one page, right? So it's something like a 448, 67 line number, 448, a 67 line number. Now I am pressing the space bar. You see, guys, 144. So this is the next page. So again, you can press the space bar. It will show 184. The another page, 251, another page. So 297 line number, another page. So 342, another page. 383, another page.
So yeah. So Harry, we just need
419.
to highlight. We just need to highlight the page after we press the less cloud dash init.log. Then when we get all the pages, we highlight, and then we press enter with space bar.
Yes,
Okay.
less or more. So I want to see the space bar. You see, 3% completed the page. So 5%. This is the page by page. It will display page by page. So if you press enter, you see something like 539, 546, 547, 49, 57, 56, 67. You see, so line by line, it will display. If you press the enter, it will display line by line. So there is no percentage.
So
If you press the
this
space bar,
what was the command of this page by page? What was the command for this one?
page by page, you can use the space bar in the keyboard. Space bar, the big one, right? The space bar.
Page by page and spacebar.
Yeah. Line by line, we can use the enter. Enter, you can use the line by line. Space bar, you can use space bar for page by page. So line by line, you can use enter. Space, page by page, you can use space bar. Enter, line by line, space bar, page by page. Now you got it? Yeah. I want to grep the, so what is something like a running, right? So I want to grep the any word, any string on this file. Any word or string on this file. How you can grep it? Something like, what is the command grep, or something like a cat cloud init.log pipe symbol separating another command. Grep is the command, and -i or something like, whatever it may be. -i is nothing but a case sensitive. So I will show you the difference. Grep running. So whatever the running is, it searches the running and it will display. It will display. So what is the command used? You use the command something like R capital UNNING. So whatever you use, it will display. But I don't want to, but I want to display something like capital IRUNNING. So if you're not using -i, whatever you are searching, capital I running, in all the capital letters, it will searches in the document and it display whatever capital running is there. But if you use the -r, it will display a small or capital, case sensitive. Yeah. So something like, you see, running all are small. R is capital here, running. So all is capital running. So there is no capital running. There is no capital running. But it will show, yeah, there is no capital running. So but it will display all, a small or case tends to a smaller and uppercase, lowercase. It will display by using
So
case sensitive.
this hyphen I is the part of the command.
Yeah. So this is the option for the grep command. If you
Okay.
don't see something like, if you don't use this hyphen option, now you can grep, there is no capital running. So, but if you use -i, it will display the whatever it may be. If it is a capital or if it is a small, definitely it will show you.
Okay.
It will show you. So this is the grep option to figure out, to search any keyword in the document. So it will display. It will display. Guys, now understood?
Yes.
Yes, right? So what we discussed today? Guys, what we discussed today? What are the commands we discussed?
Removes of
VA
command.
command.
The command modes.
Yeah.
VA or VAM. Next, guys.
Command mode.
No. VA
Mode.
is having, so this is having, right? Command mode, whatever it means.
Yeah. Modes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm asking about commands.
Head and tail less.
Yes, head,
Tail,
tail,
Less more.
less or more.
less and
Less or
More.
more.
more. If you use line by line, so what is the command? Guys?
Space bar. Sorry. Enter.
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 One
Sorry.
document.
Page by page.
Space.
Space bar.
Yes. Space bar. Right? Guys, understood? So something like
Yeah.
grep command also we used. Right? So something like I want to see the cat harry.txt. I want to search by using pipe. This is the command. So you are searching that you are grepping the output on this file. You are grepping the output on this file. What is the cat to display? So something like a grep hyphen I only hyphen I harry.txt something
Linux.
error.
Yeah.
Whatever the errors are there in the file cat harry.txt. So whatever the error option is error is there in this file, it will display here. It will display here. It will display here. That's the reason we are grepping this, the grep command. I understood, right? We had the tail less more grep. Guys, till now, what are the commands you learned? Guys, tell me. So, what are the commands you learned till now?
Insert command.
Uname of an R, uname hyphen A, who am I, PWD,
CD.
CD,
MKDIR.
MKDIR,
Cat.
cat, Vim RVI,
Head.
touch,
Okay.
LS, LL, LS hyphen LRT, right?
Yes. Head the child.
Head,
Already we are right there.
Tail
tail, less,
or
more,
more.
grep.
Yep.
So these all are the which commands, guys?
File something. I think I forgot.
The bin commands. So
Okay,
these
bin
all
command.
are the bin
File.
commands. So bin commands, binary commands. So guys, now you understand, right? How to interact the Linux OS, a CentOS 7, how you can interact with the CentOS 7 OS through
Through commands
commands
only.
only. Through commands only. What are the commands? These are the commands. So going forward, you will learn more. You will learn more. But it will be easy. It will be a very easy. It will be very easy. Now you understood? So before that you don't know, right? How to operate CLI OS. Now you are able to understand. Now you are able to manage the CLI OSs. CLI OSs. Now you understood, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. So we will continue from tomorrow, guys. So tomorrow we will show you copy command, RM command. Okay. So what is the purpose of command, copy command? What is the purpose of RM command? So we'll show you guys tomorrow. Okay. So most probably we will wind up the command session in the Linux tomorrow. So after tomorrow we will show you. So what are the permissions, file permissions? What are the user administration? Okay. Most probably we will close this week Linux. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.